Hey guys, welcome back again in another exciting video. I am here to talk about how we can break that curse holding you back not to prosper, especially when you notice that your star is being taken away from you or your glory has been taken away from you from unknown people, from people that are stronger than you spiritually, from people that are into so many bad things. They have taken your glory out from you. Anything that you always lay your hands don't always work out the way you wanted it. You have tried every remedy just to restore your glory back. This video is for you. Or maybe you feel that what you are going through today is as a result of cost be placed on you by the enemy. When you start experiencing setback in your business, in your academic, in your office, in fact even in your marriage in general, I want you to know that there is a hand of enemy in your life. See, the God that created you did not create you for you to experience setback. It did not create you for you to remain poor. That people are suffering from spiritual problems that they are going through today is as a result of evil one, the hand of the evil one in their life. So, if you are battling with cause like long-time cause, spiritual cause, family cause, any type of cause at all, delay in business, delay in progress, delay in academic, delay in marriage, delay in everything. Whenever they call you for an interview, after the interview, other people will be accepted and you will be rejected. That is a delay in your life, and you need to remove that. You need to restore that glory that the enemy has taken away from you. Some people are roaming up and down today, not knowing that their glory has been taken away from them. Their destiny has been taken away from them. Now, if you want to restore your glory, if you want to restore your destiny, if you want to break that curse holding you not to progress, if you want to destroy that curse making things not to work in your favor, if you want to destroy that curse that makes marriage not to be working in your life, any man that comes across to you, before you know it, one thing or the other will bring problem and that relationship will get terminated. If you want to destroy all of these things using natural ingredients, just number one, just only one ingredient. Now keep on watching. But before I go into that details, I would like to thank all my returning subscribers. Yes, I cannot thank you guys enough for always checking out my video, for always stopping by, for always watching my video. God Almighty will surely visit you and He will bless you, bless every good thing that you lay in your hand. And to the newest subscribers in the building, you guys are highly welcome. Thank you for being the part of this family. May God Almighty bless you, and also from this family answer all your prayers. Now back to the topic. Like I said before, if you are passing through delay in your life, be it marital delay, be it job delay, be it business delay, be it contract delay, any delay at all, or maybe you feel that what you are going through is as a result of evil cause being placed on you, and you don't know what to do. You have tried all the recipe and it seems like these recipes are not working. You have done this, you have done spiritual work, and it seems like nothing. Like I have made a video, I think that video is before this one, what you need to do to make spiritual work to begin to work in your life. If you have not done that and you want to do this, please go and watch that video, so that if you are performing this particular recipe that I'm about to tell you, it will be working immediately without even wasting time. Okay, so go and watch that video on my channel. I think I will have to leave that channel link on this video comment. Okay, so if you want to know how to remove anything making spiritual work not to work in your life, then you have to watch that video before you can come out and start performing this. All right, now guys, if you are experiencing all of these things spiritually, husband is not coming, and when you finally marry, before you know it, divorce, they begin to see one problem or the other in your life. That is the handwork of the devil in your life. So to do that, you need just one ingredient. All you have to do is just get me an egg. Get me eggs. This is an egg. You need a native egg. So if you're living in a country where you cannot get a native egg, you can make use of English egg, but let it be a rotten egg. You need 3 pieces only to put an end to all this ugly spiritual situation that always causes delay in your life, that make things not to be working in your life. You know, when someone is carrying costs all over the places, any business that you always lay your hands to do, let me tell you, that business will always collapse unless that cost is being removed. It will collapse no matter what you do. So you have to remove that cost. You need to remove that, and for you to succeed in removing that, you need to do what I asked you to do in making sure that spiritual will work for you, okay, before you cannot come to do this particular one. Okay, you need 3 eggs, 3 rotten eggs. If you're in Nigeria, use native 3 rotten egg, and if you're in abroad, use any type of egg, but let it be a foul egg. Let it be 3 rotten. So what do? You are to hold this egg at your left hand, the 3 egg at your left hand. Okay, now begin to make a prayer that any bad thing in your life, anything that the enemy has casted in your, any bad thing that the enemy has casted in your life, that today that you are removing it. Even it's just a very simple prayer, but very powerful, very powerful to destroy cause, very powerful to restore your lost glory back, very powerful to break hindrances, delays in all ramification. Once spiritual work is concerned. I don't forgetting me. Now you hold that egg on your left hand and then begin to make a prayer that anything smelling in your life, anything that is not good in your life, that today that you are removing the ash from your body, remove the ash from your life, remove the ash from your destiny. And after making that prayer, when you are making that prayer, I want your spiritual life to be high. Like, make that prayer aggressively. And after making that prayer, guys, go to a junction, any junction of your choice. Now use the egg, use the 3 egg holding by your left hand, and use it to round your head like 7 times. As you're rounding your head, you're making a prayer, you're removing the setback, you're removing hindrance, you're removing any bad thing smelling in your life, as you're making life not to be sweet, every yama, any disease, any infirmity, anything making things not to work in your life, that today that you are removing it out from your body. And after making that prayer, guys, you have to smash this egg on that spot, that place that you are using, that you have stand in making that prayer. You have to smash that egg aggressively. Like, you use all your power, all the energy that is needed, spiritually energy, use it to smash that eggs, the 3 eggs, and then after smashing it, turn back immediately and return to your home. Why going to your home? You are going to experience name calling. People that you don't know, in fact, you begin to hear your name. They will call you. The people that did this, they will call your name immediately. They know fully well that you have destroyed all that they have done against you. You will hear your name sound and clear. And when you hear your name, no matter the voice that they have used or they are using to call you, do not answer. They may use your father's voice, they may use your mother's voice, they may use your neighbor's voice, they may use any familiar voice, but let me just warn you, the voice that you'll be hearing that will call you while you are walking down to your home will be a familiar voice. And do not answer. Do not turn back. Because the moment you turn back, the moment you answer, all the bad things that you have already rejected and take away from your body, they will all bounce back again in your life. That is the reason why I said you should not look back. That is the reason why I said you should not answer any call. After breaking that egg, go back to your home, facing your home. Do not look back. Do not answer any strange or familiar voices calling your name. The moment you come back to your home, you are free to wash yourself. You are free to take your bath by using just little sea salt and put inside your bathing water. Use it to bathe. And say today you are free, that God Almighty has set you free, the universe has set you free, that whosoever that the Son of Man has set free, he is free indeed. You proclaim that word and then you claim it and it is settled. Okay, so guys, that is just the end of this video. I hope you like it. Please, after watching this video, make sure that you share this video, share my video. You're free to share my video, and also leave your comment on the comment section. Please leave your comment on the comment section and then like this video. Okay, that is it, guys. See you on my next episode. Do have a lovely week. Bye.